This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics. You have a Discord account, server access, and Poketwo invited with proper permissions. Once invited, create a dedicated text channel so bot output stays organized. This prevents spam across other channels. Make sure the bot can send messages, add reactions, and embed links. These let Poketwo post catches and use reactions for interactions. Test quickly by typing the basic spawn command, so you confirm responses before moving to advanced configuration. Now you adjust how Poketwo behaves so catches match your server style. Start with role hierarchy. The bot needs a higher role than users it will manage so nicknames and reactions work. Next, change spawn rates and nick rules. This balances activity and prevents oversaturation. Configure logging and reaction role channels so you and moderators can track events. Also set a unique command prefix to avoid conflicts with other bots. This helps reliability when multiple bots are active. Finish by running Poketwo under normal conditions and watching how members interact. This reveals if you need to tune spawn rates or permissions. If problems occur, first verify the bot is online and its role is above users. Many failures are permission-related. Once done, reauthorize the bot or re-invite if it loses scopes. Finally, deploy slow mode or restrict channels to moderators if catching floods chat. This preserves server quality while keeping Poketwo fun for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.